I'm sure by now you've heard the term refinance. If your neighbor hasn't refinanced, your parents haven't refinanced, a friend hasn't refinanced, let's talk about why they're refinancing. There's so many reasons why to refinance. One of the reasons is to use the equity in your home. If you own a home, you probably have more equity that you've built in the last few years than you ever have in a home. So people are taking advantage of this equity. And how are they doing that? Well, they're doing it through a refinance. And there's so many reasons why you can use that equity. A lot of the things that we're seeing right now is to pay off long-term debt, expensive debt with high interest rates, right? Credit cards has high interest rates, student loans have high interest rates, and we see people have built up that high interest debt over the years. So if you're making your minimum payment on that debt, how are you going to ever pay that off? Well, interest rates are still low, you have the equity in your home, you can take advantage and pull that money out of your home and pay off that debt. We are saving people thousands of dollars per month by eliminating their high interest long-term debt and giving them that relief. Another reason that we're seeing people wanting to pull cash out of their home is, let's say that you haven't always loved the kitchen that you have and you've always wanted to remodel it. Well, now is the opportunity. You finally have the equity that you can pull out to increase the value of your home. You know, you can get that new kitchen, or let's say you've always wanted a pool. Let's build that pool and that entertaining backyard that you can have friends and family over at. There's so many ways you can upgrade your home. Especially right now with few homes on the market, it's hard to buy a new home. So what we're seeing is people are saying, I've been sitting in my home during the pandemic, I've been looking around, I have a lot of equity I could sell, but I can't buy anything else. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna pull the equity out of my home, I'm gonna use that, I'm gonna improve the home the way I've always wanted to and really enjoy my home. So besides capitalizing on the equity in your home, if you don't want to pull any cash out, there's other types of refinances you can do. Many people that are purchasing homes nowadays, they're putting less than 20% down, which is great. So they don't have to use all their money up to put down on the down payment. Well, now that they've earned so much equity in their home, they can get rid of what's called PMI, or mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance is required when you put less than 20% down. It basically is insurance for the lender that if you foreclose on your home, they can get back some of that lost equity if they sell it for less. So what happens is, now that you've built the equity in your home, you can refinance and get rid of that monthly mortgage insurance and save on your monthly payment, as well as take advantage of the low interest rates. Another reason we're seeing people refinance these days is they want to pay off their mortgages faster. So if you have a 30-year mortgage where the term of your mortgage is over 30 years, we're seeing people refinance and take advantage of these low interest rates and going into a 15-year term. So now they're able to pay off their mortgage in 15 years rather than 30 years. So that's another way to take advantage of refinances right now. So I'm sure you've heard that the interest rates are going up. So why would you refinance right now? Well, interest rates are still low. It still benefits you to refinance, but it's also important that you use someone like the Lund mortgage team. We're local, we're family owned, and we are able to not work with just one bank, one set of rates. We're able to shop that around for you, be your personal shopper to get you the best deal on your refinance. I appreciate you guys sitting with me today, and if you liked what you heard and have additional questions, leave them in the comments below or give us a call today.